You can never go far in this kingdom if you don't have something you are doing with your hands. That idea of telling you just give and you will prosper is a scam. Everybody prospering in this kingdom is doing something. When you have nothing to do, you make it difficult for God to bless you. It becomes easy for God to bless you when you have something to do. There is no spirit that can prosper a man who is doing nothing. We have a generation of people today who just lock themselves up in the cave and they pray in tongues for 8 months, and when they come out and become fake prophets and scammers. Because no matter how spiritual they are, they cannot deny the fact that they need clothes to wear and something to eat. And when they can no longer get those things, they close their eyes and say an angel is talking to them. And they say, bring what you have. You are having this in your pocket. Bring it out. You are a thief. You are a terrible thief. And if you don't repent,